So, following the video from just today, I'm going to show you how was job done here using the red silicone. Alright, so still not 24 hours for this silicone to dry or cure properly, maybe, but I can see it's pretty good, so I think it's a good time to give it a try. Here is my beauty. Mikuni carburetor. I think this is good. I cannot hear the sound that I was hearing before. So you can see we hear all the sound here in the back. Not any exhaust sound coming out of here, this part. So I think the job was well done. Down a little bit, the acceleration on the carburetor right here, and this is screwed. Motorcycle is still very cold, but we shouldn't accelerate too much, otherwise there could be problems. Okay, so this is good for now. I think this is a success for now. Like I mentioned it on my first video, I'm planning to replace this exhaust with a new one, which is gonna have a better sound, but they are expensive, so we have to be cautious about the cost. We have to wait until it's the right moment to buy the new exhaust. By the way, this morning I was able to seal this here. Remember yesterday I mentioned it, we had a leak, an oil leak from it, so I was able to add some silicone and seal the leak here. So hopefully we don't have this leak anymore. We have another leak on the bike from this side of the engine, and my friend and I will take care of it soon. All right, so I'm gonna quit this for now, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you for watching the video, and all the best for you. Bye bye.